Yo, welcome back. It's your boy Nick Dobb. I'm back with another banger. Today we're gonna be looking at the daily, the 4 hour, hopping into the 1 hour, and we definitely gonna take a look at the 15 minute. We do see nice potential head and shoulders on the 15 minutes, and it looks like it may be 200 pips. So if we can catch this trade by maybe tonight, it's Monday, maybe even early Tuesday morning, we might be setting up for a 200 pip sell. But for the most part, we are going to start off on the daily, work our way down. Y'all know how it goes. Let's get right into it. All right, so hopping on to the daily here. Let's just start off with the major trend. So far, we see this uptrend, this super uptrend. I'm going to take off the volume just for now. We don't need that. Uh, we're going to just pay attention to the super uptrend here. We see price has been pushing up along this line here, creating pretty much strong retests throughout. Every time the price does come back down to these support is holding, as you can see. So same thing's happening here. It's actually a little different here. We do see price coming up into this sweep here. So this sweep is where price made a push up, and in one candle it rejected 2 days worth of price. So we call this a sweep because price came right back down into the previous resistance area, rejected it, as you can see here. And after that rejection, you can see that prices continue to push lower. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take that momentum shift into perspective, and always look at it as the market can always either go up or either go down. In this particular moment, the daily is still trending upwards, but at the moment it is shifting downwards. So with an upwards trend, we do get these downward pullbacks, like we said previously. So if price is predicting to push back down to this blue trend line here in the next couple of days, we can take a look here. So if we look for the day coming here, price could just drop in one day to 26.90. If we push it over to the next day, could push it up to 26.12. Maybe the following day, 26.15, and maybe by the end of this week, Friday, price could fall. Maybe by Friday, the price could even fall as low as 26.25. Same thing for upside. If price does find support here and decides to push back up, we could find some more resistance here above 27, 26, 25 area, and could even push up to 25, 40 area. That is just the daily. Like I said, we do have a lot of sell pressure on the daily. We have the bearish divergence happening here. Previously, from here to there, you can see that divergence. And we are still having some more divergence happening here to there. And as you can see, it is pushing price further down into the support areas. Another key note to look at here is that we have the 20, 21, and 8 moving average here. These two moving averages, typically, just like the trend, the market likes to stay above this moving averages. Once price dips back into these moving averages, I give it about a day or two before price comes back up into the trend. So if we're looking at previous data and coming back up to what's happening here, we do see price push down below that 21 and 8 moving average. 2 days ago, price have remained below the 21 and 8 moving average. So we are looking for price Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to either push up above the moving averages here and continue to push into this bullish momentum, or we are looking for price to remain under the moving averages, maybe retest it one more time and continue to fall down to the major trend line here. That is how the daily is looking for the most part. Extremely bullish, short-term bearish momentum's coming into play. We really just have to wait and see. Moving into the 4-hour time frame, we do have better market structure here on the 4-hour. You can see we do have the double top here on the RSI. That is pretty much creating that bearish push that we do see here. Ever since that RSI got to the tipping point up here, it has since then made that reversal. Very nice structure. I do want to say that for the most part. You do see that price is holding above this level here. So if we, same thing on the daily, if we do take a look at the 8 and 20 moving average, we like to see typically once we see a break across and a drop, we like to see that retest to the moving averages and that continuation. So this would be technically the second drop after a cross into the retest. We've seen the drop, retest. We've seen the second drop, retest. So if this is continuing to be bearish, which it actually may stand on due to the RSI also staying below the 50%, we've seen the price push up here and it failed, which led to the RSI getting into the oversold territory. Then we also see price try to push back up into the new, you can say, resistance, and also continue to fail. So if price is becoming weaker, then of course we may see a continuation and a continued fall into some lower support areas. We do see for the 1 hour, we have a potential triangle that is forming. We have that the lower lows here, and then we had that support here that is just formed. And if price does maintain to reject the support again, pushing up maybe the 2690. It might even shoot up here real quick. You know what I'm saying? A little fake out, a little wick fake out. If we do see a little fake out happening here and price continue to fall into the support, then we could see a potential triangle happening here. And then we might have a Thursday breakout. Like I said, we really just have to wait and see. Like I said, I am waiting for price to continue to push more towards the downside so we can potentially find some more support here and continue to push up. Let's take a look at the RSI before we hop into the 15 minutes. If price is truly bearish and is going to remain under this 50% like it's been doing here, then we may see some more downtrends here. We really just got to wait and see. What I'm really expecting to happen in the next couple hours here is this chart here. If we move down to the 15-minute time frame, we do have this chart happening right here. And for this chart, the reason I like this chart is because we have the first head and shoulders happening here, right? And I even have like a 5-minute head and shoulders happening right here. So if price does potentially fall below this support here, we could see that $200 price move back down to support here. And that would indicate that price is holding up to that true hour momentum. Because like I told y'all before in the last video, we have these spikes coming up, these bearish spikes. And as you can see, these bearish spikes are hitting. And while they're hitting, price is also pushing down into that bearish price action, back into support here. So let's hope support hold. Pretty much we have that bearish pullback here on the daily. We are hoping price does maintain that bullish trend and keep pushing up. But we do want to keep that in mind in the back of our heads to expect that bearish price for early this week. So let's see what price do tonight into Monday into Tuesday. Of course, as always, I will be sending everything on the Discord, link down below. If you are looking to get funded, check out the link also down below. Funding Pips, click on my link, give you 5% off. For the most part, I do appreciate everybody, as y'all know, who watches my videos. Try to keep them coming, try to stay consistent. Please like, comment, share. It helps me out a lot. Once again, I do appreciate everybody who watches this video. Y'all, take it easy until the next one. Peace.